Hello and good day everyone. I am Davanisari Mogan. My matching number is S56770. I am going to present about the results of Shariah compliant beating the market for the unconstrained and constrained. These are the Shariah's historical data, weekly return and covariance metrics. Now I will move to the BTM unconstrained. Before that I will explain about the what is BTM. BTM is stand for beating the market. The price beating the market is a reference to an investor or corporation seeing better results than an industry standard. Also, beating the market is a difficult phrase to analyze. It can be used to refer to two different situations, both of which involve financial outperformance. This table containing 1 year 5 months of weekly return information for each stock and the KLCI index. The weights for Shariah's portfolio were entered in cells B83 to M83. By using these weights, the return on this portfolio each week is calculated. This column containing the value 1 indicates weeks in which Shariah's portfolio outperformed the KLCI index, and this cell computed the percentage of times Shariah's portfolio outperformed the KLCI index. Now I'm gonna show the solver method. Before that, we must know why we want to use solver, because it is to determine values for the weights that maximize the values in these cells. This represents the portfolio that beat the KLCI index the greatest number of times during this 1 year and 5 months period. We then also might reasonably expect the same portfolio to offer the best chance of outperforming the KLCI index in the future. Now I will show the solver. Here I put the maximize the value, and for the weights I used 0 to 1. For the solving method I put evolutionary option, and after the solving these are the results will came out. The solution for this Shariah's portfolio consists of approximately 4% for all the companies except Nestle Berhad and 88.54% in Nestle Berhad. It would have outperformed the KLCI index at 54.79% of the time. The same things goes to BTM constraint. Now I will show the solver first. I put maximize the value, and for the weights I put minimum 4% and maximum 20%. After the solving, these are the results will came out. The solution for this Shariah's portfolio consists of approximately 12.17% in BIMB, IHH, IOI and Nestle Berhad, 8.17% in DG.com, and 6.17% is for the rest companies. So it would have outperformed the KLCI index at 52.05% of the time. In unconstrained, when we compare the weights, we can see that 88.54% is the highest, which means Nestle Berhad is best invested at this value compared to other companies. And in constraint, when we compare the weights, we can see that 12.17% is the highest. That means 4 companies invested at the same value compared to other companies. Okay. When we compare between unconstrained and constrained, we can say that constrained is the best perform compared to unconstrained. Okay. Last but not least, there is no guarantee that such a portfolio would continue to perform as well in the future. But these techniques give Shariahs an objective way of redistributing this portfolio so that it can be expected to perform reasonably well if the stock market continues to behave in a similar manner. That's all from me. Thank you.